Let us consider a situation. You are working in a garden. A king cobra attacks you. King cobra accelerates towards you with 120 miles per hour, as fast as a arrow shot. It has 0.8 to 1 centimeter fangs, which releases highly venomous neurotoxic venom. This neurotoxic venom, which affects nervous system and make victim paralyzed. In this situation, what would you do? Snakes. Snakes are the most beautiful species of this earth. Elongated, flexible, legless organisms. Its average lifespan is 10 to 40 years. These are the some of the classic details of the snake. Let's dive into these details. There are 3,600 different types of snake species in this world. In that, 330 species from India. Snakes can live in both land and water. You know, in this earth, 3 by 4th part of the earth is covered by oceans and seas. We know snakes can live on both land and water. Most of the marine biologists are believe that some of the giant snakes can be there in the oceans. Still, these oceans are unexplored. Let's see some of the classic numerological details to understand these facts. Let's see some of the calculations. The depth of the Pacific Ocean is 11 kilometers. A classic scuba diver can go up to 500 meters, and a military submarine can go up to 800 to 1 kilometer. According to the above calculations, humans can explore up to 1 kilometer depth of the Pacific Ocean. So, 10 kilometers are unknown and unexplored in the Pacific Ocean. Most of the scientists and marine biologists are believe that there are some of the giant organisms are present. Still, we have to explore. In this earth, humans are believe that they are the superior power. But the real fact is, nature is a superior power. Do you know, in India, there are 330 species of snakes. In that, 69 species are venomous and 261 species are non-venomous. Do you know, the World Health Organization estimates that above 5 million snake bites occurs in every year. Let's see about poisonous apparatus. The poisonous apparatus of snakes consists of a pair of poison glands, a pair of ducts, and a pair of fangs. In poisonous snake, the poison glands are situated on the either side of upper jaw, and the poison glands are possibly the superior labial gland. Let us see the biting mechanism. As the fangs are pierced, the muscles contract and squeezes the poison gland, forcing the poison through the fangs. And these venom are 3 types. One is neurotoxic venom, another one is hemotoxic venom, another one is cytotoxic venom. Let's see how to find venomous and non-venomous snakes using bite marks. A non-venomous snake bite tend to leave 2 rows of teeth marks. However, a venomous snake bite usually leaves 2 clear punctured marks and some teeth marks. Do you have any experiences with snake bite or snake attack? Share with us in the comment box.